We're here at Core to have a look at the Schwarze GS6 Regenerative Air Sweeper. Let's go and have a look. We're going to have a look now at the gutter brooms on the truck. As you can see, this is one big gutter broom. This is by far the biggest and the best gutter broom on the market. With a 990mm reach span in the gutter, there's nothing that comes close to this in the market today. One of the big key features is the two heavy-duty pneumatic cylinders. One is for down pressure and the other is for the GO to allow the gutter broom for its maximum reach and guidance through the gutter. You've also got a hydraulic cylinder here for your pitch and your tilt. If you want the biggest gutter broom in the market today with the best performance, choose a Schwarze GS6 Regenerative Air Sweeper today.